Hello friends, hi. Today in my kitchen I'm going to show you how to do chicken curry Sri Lankan style. Alright, so I'll show you the ingredients needed. First thing, chicken. Alright, this is 8-piece chicken which I've actually cut into small pieces and I've actually washed them well thoroughly. Alright, and then keep them like this because we are going to marinate the chicken with the spices soon. Then you will need onions. This is 1.5 onions I've sliced it up, 1 tomato and 2 small green chilies. This is around 5 to 6 pieces of garlic. I've chopped it up. Now the spices needed, you will need 1 bay leaf. I've cut this into 2. 1 stick of cinnamon. I've actually broken it up into these pieces. And then you will need cardamom. 3 pieces of cardamom which I've actually, you will need to pound it a little bit. Alright, and then you will need star anise, just like 2 pieces of star anise will be fine, and then around 3 pieces of cloves. Alright, and the spices needed will be chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. You will also need pepper powder and some curry leaves, and followed by oil. Alright, so I will start off to show you how this curry is made. The first thing is that you will need to marinate the chicken. Alright, so I'll show you what we are going to put to marinate the chicken. Alright, just 1 minute. Okay, now we are going to start off by marinating the chicken. The first thing I'll be adding is chili powder. Now for this 8 pieces of chicken, I'm going to add like around 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Okay, and the next I'll be adding coriander powder. Coriander powder will be around 2 tablespoons. And followed by turmeric powder, okay, turmeric powder you can add like half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and then we'll be adding the pepper powder. Okay, we'll also add a half tablespoon of pepper powder, and followed by salt. Okay, we'll add the required amount of salt. This is a little tricky because it depends on individual. Alright, so you'll just have to go with it with trial and error. Okay, I'm just using this amount of salt. Alright, okay, and then now I'm going to give it a good mix. Okay, give it a good mix. I'll be adding in a little bit of water as well, okay, so that it wouldn't be too dry. Okay, so I've actually marinated the chicken well already. If you can see, it's all been mixed well. Alright, so we'll keep this aside, and what we are going to do, we're going to start off to do the base of the curry right now. Alright, okay, now in a pot, you can heat up the pot and we can add a little bit of oil. Okay, that should be like 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. You can also add ghee if you have the ghee, but I do not have ghee right now, so I'm using oil instead. Alright, this is canola oil. Let the oil get heated up. Okay, now the oil has heated up, I'm going to add the spices. Alright, so go in, add in the cinnamon and all the other spices. Just be careful because the oil might splutter. add in a bunch of curry leaves as well. As you can see, it's really spluttering, alright. Okay, and then add in the onions. Okay, and then followed by the green chili. Give it a good mix. There's a good aroma that's coming out of this right now. Let it cook till the onions have softened a little. And after this, we're going to add the tomatoes. Give this a couple of minutes. Okay, I've added the garlic and give it a good mix. Let the tomatoes cook. Alright. And after this, I'm going to add the chicken pieces that I've marinated. Okay, so I'm going to add the chicken pieces right now. Okay, I've added the chicken pieces. Okay, I've given it a good mix already. If you can see, all the onions and the spices have actually mixed well with the chicken already. Alright, after this I'm going to add water. Now just add water from the same bowl that the chicken was marinated in. And give it a good mix. Okay, well, I'm going to close the lid now and let it cook for some time. Maybe around 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so I already removed the lid, alright, and give it a good stir. You will see that the chicken has all cooked very well and it's very tender. Use a fork and you can actually poke into a piece to see whether it's all cooked. So in a while it will be done, alright. Just let it simmer in low heat for another couple of minutes, okay, and then it will be done. Okay, and the last step would be I'll be adding coriander leaves. It really tastes and smells very nice. So friends, do try this recipe in your homes and do leave your comments on how it turned out. Thank you.